Hello, I'm Andre, and today we're going to talk about how you can build Alexa skills for the devices that have display. So devices in the Echo Show family. And there is a very cool way to do that. Amazon has a couple of templates for you. So, for example, this template with a heading and the background and some text, and of course there are a couple of more. Template number 2 with the image on the right and the background image also, and template number 3, and so on and so forth. All of them you can see in this documentation link, which I'm gonna post under this video. But what is more important is that along this templates, for example, we have vertical lists here, and we have also horizontal lists for stuff like different things that you want to list, right? So, and what is more important, that everything that Amazon allows you to do, you can do very easy with BotTalk. And to do that, you log into BotTalk, you create a new scenario. Just a quick reload. Create a new scenario. You name it. I'm gonna name it visuals, and then in the next section of our wizard, you can actually select a template for that, and it's called Alexa Body Templates. So you choose that, you click on the next, finish creation, and boom, you just created this scenario. But before we dive into the details of how to structure that, you can actually go ahead and just really quickly save it and deploy it. So if you go to the deploy, then it's going to create this scenario for you, and this scenario is basically try to show you all the different templates that Amazon is providing you, how they gonna look like on the device. And basically what this template is could be used for is for instead of reading a long documentation, you just can take that template, copy things that you like, for example, list templates or body templates, and then that's it. So yeah, it's successfully deployed. Let me just show you really quick how it looks. So these are visuals that was created, and if you go into the testing and say open visuals.
Which template do you want to see?
And the most important thing is down here, right? So already here I'm using list template, the vertical list template, and what it does is actually tells you possible things that you can look at. For example, say you want to look at the body template 2.
Showing you body template 2. Which template do you want to see next?
Body template 3.
Showing you body template 3. Which template do you want to see next?
Body template 6.
Showing you body template 6. Which template do you want to see next?
List template 1.
Showing you list template 1. Which template do you want to see next?
List template 2.
Showing you list template 2. Which template do you want to see next?
Yeah, so that this is basically it, right? And the way it works is we created a special plugin for that, and the list of your plugins, very important. Just quickly, if you go to BotTalk, there is a plugin section right here, and you can create your own private plugins, but you also have the plugins that we provide. And this plugin is called Alexa plugin, and it can play and stop music, but also it can send templates, the ones that I showed you, and send lists. So, and the way it works is pretty simple. If you go back to our scenario, for example, for let's go back here. This is the list template 2, right? So let's just look at the code. How does that work? So see, this is the list template 1, and so we need the list template 2. So basically, to send this kind of visuals, right, to Alexa, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and type in Alexa send list, and then with the input true, with the type list template 2, and the type, of course, we take from the Amazon documentation. And then you need a background image. So as you can see, there is a background image right there. And this background, if you copy and paste it, and you're going to see which one is that. So we take that as a background, as you can see right there. And also there is a title, list template 2. So this is the title, right? And yeah, there are items. So there is 1, 2, and 3, and how many items you want, up to there's a limit. So you wanna check the documentation which is the limit, and then yeah, in each item we have a name of the item, for example 1, and we have the image. So this is the first image, this young lady, and then the primary text, which is going to display it here. This is the primary text, and we have a secondary text and territory text. As you can see here, the secondary text is displayed right there, and the territory is right after that. And that's basically it. So you've got a list of your items. And they're pretty cool displayed right here. And if you want, for example, to look how the body template 7 might look like, for example, or let's go with the body template 3. Body template 3.
Showing you body template 3. Which template do you want to see next?
Once again, you can study this template and see that this is using alexa.send template action with the input true as well. And the type is body template 3. Background image is those kind of image that we selected. Once again, you just can go ahead and check. Yep, perfect. And yeah, and there's also an image right here on the left, and the title and the primary and secondary and territory text and stuff like that. So this is basically very, very easy to create all those kind of interfaces once you've got the whole syntax. And we've packed this whole syntax into this template. So just go ahead and look at that and study that. And I think it's pretty self-explanatory. If you just use this template and deploy, you could already kind of try things out. And from that, you can use, for example, you can just copy this into one of your skills, and boom, it's gonna work. Once again, you have to remember those are the Alexa templates, Alexa visuals. So don't be foolish enough to try to do them on the Google devices, right? It's not going to work. So that was basically it, introducing the visual templates for BotTalk, and I'm very excited to hear what you guys think. Write down in the comments. Yeah, so see you in the later tutorials. Bye bye.